Alright, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. We are still building unassemblize tour. And, yeah, I think... Yeah, I would like to get a little bit of... yeah, I want to see if it's possible to imgui draw over elements. I think that is maybe a question for our friend ChatGPT. With imgui, is there a way to draw elements over a group or area of other elements so that these are covered, by some intermediate, so that these are... With imgui, is there a way to draw elements over a group or area of other elements? Other GUI elements, draw UI elements, GUI elements over a group or area of other elements. Let's say yes. Can overlay elements, get foreground, draw list. Begin group text, button, group min, and group. Okay. Get foreground, draw list, translucent overlay, add rect fills. Okay, that looks promising. Begin group, end group. Okay, so how do we translate that? So we have this super huge function. I wonder if we perhaps should... before we get into that, we also need to fix this thing here. Program. To do. Fix. Done. Okay. So what I want to do... ChatGPT, of course, has great suggestions this time. Okay, let's try this. So let's try... scoped group push or just group. Okay. So this function is quite big already. Maybe we should split it up a bit. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, so group, mark the area after the last widgets for overlay bounds. Okay. Yeah, here. Group min, group max. All right. And then okay, looks like we actually need to do here begin group. Yeah, okay. Begin group. And group. Okay. Draw. Okay, draw lists. Okay, let's just copy this example here. Overlay text. Let's see. Group min, group max. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Maybe we also put it into a scope. Well, that does not look quite right. We got an error. Missing end group. Huh. Ah. Right. Begin group. End group. Well, it doesn't work so well. Looks like ChatGPT was tricking us. Yeah. Yeah. Begin group, end group. Mark an area where we want the overlay. Yeah. Maybe it. Maybe we should start the group here. That even draws over other windows. Okay, that's not it. Get foreground draw list. Oh, no. This does not work quite right. It draws over other windows as well, but I only want to have it draw over elements on a single window, on the window that owns these elements, GUI elements. This does not work quite right. It draws over other windows as well, but I only want to have it draw over GUI elements on the windows, on the window that owns these elements. And the other issue is, well, where is this even drawing? There is overlay text here, and there is something here, but it's only over the button. It's only over a button. Let me see. Get item, group min max. Why is that? Mark there after the last widget for overlay bounds. Should these things perhaps be here? Let me see. Okay. So it does draw over the whole thing. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT about this. Overlay is only draw, get window draw list. Let's see. Begin group. Yeah. Get draw lists. Get window draw lists. Get the draw list for the current window. Okay. Get window draw list. Let's see. Get window draw list. Alright. Let's make this white actually. 255 white. There we go. Okay, this visually looks the way I expected, yeah. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. 5, huh? 2, 5. Okay, let's put overlay color, semi-transparent overlay color. Let's put this to 50. Yeah. Draw a filled rectangle over the group area. Add text or other overlays on top of the group. Good, so it's a white text over, it's a black, wait, what? It's a white text, yeah. Okay, this is good. And then here I would like to draw let's go to our sample window here, widgets. 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 Progress bars. Okay, I want to add this thing here. Tools, item picker, this one. How can we hover this? Progress bars. Progress bars. Here, searching, progress bar. Pass an animated negative value. Adjust the factor we want to adjust the animation speed. Pass an animated negative value. So, okay, searching. Okay, let's take this guy and pass it here. Pass an animated. Here we do working, and progress bar. What is that? Size arc. Same line. Indeterminate. What does that mean? Ignore changes. Indeterminate. Progress bar. Such. Okay. So, oops, that is not our file. Grep. Okay, so. Let's say processing. Let's say if, no, Oh, there's 4. I say if and write 4. What the hell? The brain is damaged. Descriptor dot active command ID. Hold on. We need to change this name here. Can modify. We change to is has active commands. Has active commands. Okay, let's go back down here. Has active commands. If descriptor has active commands, let's comment this out now because we want to see it always. Has active command. Okay, and here we say processing commands. Hold on, we need std a string. Text fmt formats. FNT formats. Let's hide this stuff here. Text format. Processing commands. D. Dot. And there we pass descriptor dot. Oh, but the more commands we have, the larger this number gets. Commands. Processing. In our work queue, we need an element that says std atomic command ID. Let's command. So we put this here, and we say last processed, or last finished command ID, and we start that with invalid. Let's say -1 -1. Let's see. Last finished command ID. Last finished command. Hold on. So if it starts with -1 and we process ID 0. Then -1 plus minus 0. So +1 increment +1 0 Okay, it's quitting. Work Q command ID get last finished command ID. Last finished command ID const return that, and we need to set it result here, result command here, not last finished command ID equals last finished command dot ID command ID. There we go. Okay, last yeah. Okay. And you should dot load. Okay, this should work. And then here we put descriptor work Q command ID of ID offset offsets. So we look at work Q get this. So this will be -1. Let's add 1. So then it's 0. And we do descriptor dot active command ID +1 minus that. Offsets const. Okay, so the idea is it will then show for the last ID commands. Last. Well, that is, I think that's a bit stupid, isn't it? Yeah, that's stupid because, yeah, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. I think we need to get... Can we get the size of this thing? Come on, Q. Oof. Peak, pop, size. Returns the approximate number of items currently in the queue. It's safe to call from both the producer. Why is this approximated? Ah, because, I see. Because by the time you return, it could already be wrong. That's why. Okay, but this is good enough. Size approx. Okay. I think that's the thing we should call. So we say, comma, here, this dot size approx. Hold on. Sorry. Let's do, what does it return? What type? Jesus. Size T. All right. No. Size T. Yeah. All right. Size T. Get command. Get command. Count. Get command count. Yeah. Const. Okay. Return. Work. Command Q dot size approx. And we can also get result count, result Q. That's okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so size approx, get command count. Okay, so command count will be 1. So 1 minus 0 minus. We need minus get command count. I think we can do work queue. We still need to get this div. Get this. So -1. If we deduct 0, then it's so maybe 0 minus 1. -1 minus. That's all right. So get command count. So that would be 1, 3, 1. Oh boy. Offsets. So command Q is -1. If we add 1, then it's a 0. Then if we deduct command ID, so we have 0. Okay, let's say we last processed is 0, and we currently process 1. Command count -0 -0. So okay, I think we have to do get command count. Let's do size t minus command. So this thing, let's add 1 here, plus 1 minus that. Does that make sense? So this will be 1. This will be -1, plus 1, 0. Then 0 minus 1. It's -1. Then we have 1 minus -1. Okay, that doesn't sound right. Okay, active command IT. Active command IT. No, that doesn't make sense. Or does it? Get command count. I don't know if there's any useful value that we can't make. Okay, how about we just say processing command D, which is descriptor active command ID, and then we say command commands, and then we say okay, command count. I don't know how to do this with the given information. Let's keep it simple for now. Okay, processing command a number. Okay, I guess that's fair enough. Okay, progress bar. Here we do text dot cstr. Same line, inner spacing. Okay, this we don't want. So just a progress bar with a text. But what about the position? Draw list has no member progress bar. Add. What is progress bar calling? Im-GUI. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. Can we also draw a progress bar element on that with that draw list? Can we also draw a progress bar element with that draw list in the center of the filled rectangle? Doesn't support drawing higher level. Uh-oh. Okay, spitting out some codes here. Draw overlay with progress bar. Okay, let's try this then. That's a bit unfortunate. Okay, let's hide this stuff. Overlay color. Okay, center. Let's hide this. Group min, group max, group min, group max. Okay, progress. Maybe. Well, let's see how it looks. Just put here. Just for testing. Floats. Progress equals 0.5 f. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah. It's not bad. Certainly. Not bad. But we don't really have... let's ask him. Can we change that to a... Let's see. Can we change that to a progress bar without an actual... Maybe we can also just copy stuff from here. Indeterminate. Yeah. Maybe we can copy this logic. Or let's ask ChatGPT. Can we perhaps write it in a way so that it functions very similarly to the original ImGUI progress bar function with all its features? I don't know why ChatGPT has to give me two answers. Okay, but this doesn't look like what this here does. Okay, but maybe... It's indeterminate. emlerp. Okay, or maybe we fix up what... I mean, this, in a nutshell, does things. Draw background. RGB. widgets, progress bars. I would like it to be like this here. How can we do that? I mean, we're certainly going into the right direction. My best guess is we need to combine this effort with the original. For that, we need to understand how these things work. Okay, so what does it do? Position, size, item size, frame padding. We display an indeterminate progress bar animation. The value must be animated along with time. Is indeterminate. We accept and fill. Render frame. Rect. Cursor pass. Frame rounding. Style. Fill. Fraction. Render rect. What is this thing? Draw. Turn. Oof. Okay. Well, I would have to dig in really deep in this to get a good understanding, and it's unclear to me. We want to keep it simple. center. Group min, group max. Define the size and position of the custom progress bar. Width. $20. Draw background of progress bar. It looks like the progress bar, the green comes from the wrong side, doesn't it? Min, max. Draw backgrounds of progress bar. Draw background of progress round. Draw the progress indicator. Let's make this maybe make it a bit orange. Define the size and position of the custom bar. Let me ask. Draw overlay with IMGUI progress bar. Add rects, center. Render the IMGUI progress bar. Okay, let's try this thing here. Oops. Oh, testing a lot of things. I have to say, this like to write this progress bar from scratch, it's quite a bit complicated. Group max, group max. Okay, I realize that maybe we screw up things when we do this. Maybe we should rename this to what ChatGPT does. Group min, group max. Let's see. Progress. We pass it. This. Progress bar size. Text. Okay. Text. Text. Let's see. What is the problem? Atomic int. Oh, right. Dot loads. There we go. Maybe as active command. But still. Gets active command const return active command dot load. Right. Active command ID. Has active command. All right. Work. Command ID. All right. Okay. Commands. There we go. Function returns function. Oh boy. Oh, okay. That looks processing commands. Yeah, it's invalid command. So yeah, okay, but this looks the way I envisioned it. Yes. I think the progress bar should be. Well, something doesn't look quite right here. Something is messed up. I suspect that pushing the command, this thing here screws it up. Let's see what exactly screws it up. Okay. Set cursor screen pause. Set cursor position to the center of the overlay rectangle. I think what we need to do is we need to. So I think it's this one here that screws up the order. My suspicion is that we need to set it back. We need to set it back. Let's do that. Let's first verify. So let's take this guy, and we take this guy, and we put this guy here. Set cursor position back. So this should be progress bar size group man. Set cursor screen pause. Well, either we get the position here and save it, or do we know where it should go back to? Group min, group max. Center X. Progress bar. Set cursor position to the center of the overlay rectangle. To the overlay, okay. And then render this to the center. Okay. Set cursor position back. So we want to put it center X, center. Okay, position. Let's see if there's a get function for this. Yeah, there is. Okay, then let's simply. This is your best friend. Okay. Good, then let's take this imgui imvec2 cursor pos cursor screen pos. We do this cursor screen pos. All right, there we go. Let's see if that works. That looks quite good. What about the processing command? What about the opacity of that thing? The opacity. Progress bar size. Center. Overlay color. Why is a progress bar? Why is the progress bar so transparent? I like the previous approach too. Can we decrease the transparency of the background of imgui progress bar? Let's see. Background color is controlled by specifically frame BG color. Where there isn't a direct way, you can temporarily change. So it's like what is this? Frame BG color. So it's like a hard-coded color, I guess. Let's see. Push style color. Okay, I see. So so we do here 200.0f. Get style color, original BG color, custom BG color, push style color, imgui. So pop revert to the original. I see. Push. Okay, apply custom color. Yeah. Okay. Push. Okay, so we modify the frame BG temporarily, and then we pop it again. I see. So we have a way. Okay, I see. Thank you, ChatGPT. Much appreciated. Okay, let's remove this thing here. Let's move the text to the top. And I think we can then, once it's done and dusted, we can move this into a function, and then we can reuse it on other elements as well. It doesn't just have to be this one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, I just realized now that this thing in vec4 is probably from 0 to 1. Yeah. So this is all the way. Let's do 0, 8 maybe. 0, 8. Let's look at this frame BG. Frame BG, dark, classic, light, dark, 5.4. Okay, let's put it at the 0.9. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Processing commands. I think the blue is biting with a blue background, so maybe we should make it dark. Yeah, I think we should make it dark. Original beachy color. Let's just put a let's just put a 0.9 f, and we do a dark grayish 0.2 f, 0.2 f, 0.2 f. There we go. Let's see. We can remove this. All right. Let's see. Yeah, this is not bad. Maybe it should be darker. 0, 1, 1, 1. Let's try that. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay, maybe it should be black. I mean, completely no transparency. Because it's kind of weird that you can read things through. So maybe we should make it 1. Make it completely solid. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This looks good. I like it. Yeah. This is nice. Processing command and then the number. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then let's clean up the code here. And delete all the junk down here. I'm happy that we didn't have to re-implement cursor. It's probably not so easy. This is good. I like it. Simple enough. Define a translucent overlay, color overlay. Yeah. Col. Overlay color. It's kind of weird that here we have to use col. Oof. Let's ask ChatGPT, how can we convert the imvec4 to a mu32? Probably a very easy answer. Ah, okay, there's a function for this already. Okay, that's good. I get it. Stop writing. I get it. Stop it. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we will basically provide this overlay color, overlay color, ta-ta. Overlay color. Well, do we want to make it customizable? What do we need to be customizable? We need just the text and this thing here, right? Nothing else really. Yeah, okay, so maybe we keep it like this. Okay, let's move it into a function. Here, let's call this static void overlay progress bar. Overlay progress bar. So what do we need? We need overlay progress bar. We need a fraction and the overlay. Fraction, overlay, fraction. Float fraction and const char text. Let's see. Overlay. Overlay. Fractions. Size. Let's call this overlay. But we also need to give it this here. Item rect. Can we get in GUI get item rect size? Max. There's something here. I saw something in here. Im rect. Oof. Im rect. Min max. Yeah, why don't we use this? Im rect. Rect. Let's call this group rect. Group rect. Group rect dot min equals this, and group rect max equals that. There we go. Group rects. Okay, let's take all these guys. Yeah. And we go to the new function overlay progress bar, which we don't yet have added. We put this here. take this and that and that and that and that and that and this and that. Okay, we also need to provide the im rect overlay progress bar rect. Okay, rect rect.min, rect.max. Oh boy, let's do rect.min, group min here. Place that. Oh boy. There we go. And group max, rect max. There we go. Dup, dup, dup. All right. Good. And with fixed pen, fixed height. Okay, let's remove this and this. And everything is well documented. Rect. Let's pass it like so. Yeah. Constrict. And then we pass rect here. And then that should be done. Overlay progress bar. Hold on. Overlay here. Overlay. There we go. Fraction overlay. Overlay can also be null pointer. Overlay. Okay, overlay progress bar. Let's call it here. Overlay progress bar. And we have our group rect. There we go. Group rects and group. Maybe we can move this in here. Group rects. Let's move this. Draw overlay. All right. Group rects. Fraction is this thing here. And overlays here. Text. Let's call this overlay. Overlay.cstr. There we go. Okay. And then here we need to fix one more thing. A fraction needs to be passed here. There we go. Okay. So ChatGPT has successfully written some usable code for us. What a surprise. Okay, let's remove this and let's see if that works. There we go. That works. Okay, let's close it. Then let's overlay rect. Yeah, group rect. Okay. Good. Then we say if this, if that, then this and this. Let's remove all this. So only if there is an active command, then it will draw the overlay. Let's see. No. Processing commands. Has active commands. Why is this passing? Oh, we should make a pass on these guys. Disabled if has active command. Yes. If not has active commands. If not has active commands. If not has active commands. No, if has active command. Yeah. Has active command. Okay, and then inside this thing, disable this. If not, if has. Okay, and then inside this thing we put here this. How about we move it back to has active commands. Let's move it back in here. All right. Okay. Let's see. All right, says active command. No, good. All right, so let's load. It looks different than I thought it would. Why is this looking different now? Somehow it looks different than before. I don't... because of the disabled thingy. That's why. The disabled. This here. That changes. This here. This changes the look. Begin groove. Yeah. Okay. Yes, same. We probably should indent this whole thing. Here. Indent. And then we remove this end groove. And then we take a imgui scoped group. Okay. Now the indentation gets a little bit out of control, so we should probably make this function smaller if we can. It's quite a massive function. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this looks correct now. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Looks good to me. Good. Cannot click anything. Very good. Yeah. Okay, great. So this way we have like a visual feedback when the background work does work, and we know, okay, we have to wait, right? Otherwise it wouldn't be quite visible. Yeah. Okay, and then we can draw this basically over any elements that we require to do some work, which I expect to happen here, especially in our assembler comparison, where it will have to do the most work. So there we will probably see that for a while. Okay, great. That's all I wanted to do in this session. Build this thing, and it works. So that is perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay, great. Then I think in the next video we should try to split this stuff here into smaller functions, because this loop is getting a little bit out of hands. So much stuff in here. We just need to see, yeah, how we can break this up. Yeah, basically we do have some things that we use a couple times. These things here. Plus this thing here. Yeah. Yeah, but you can also just copy, it's fine. Yeah. I think it should be fairly simple. We make one function for each of these things. Yeah, should be okay. PDB file. Okay, yeah. Then I think this effort is done. Yeah. And I guess even if the numbers get really large in the thousands, I think that's fine as well. We just have huge numbers here. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. I like it. Looks good. All right. Then let's here exits. Yeah. All right. Then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.